Hey everybody, I'm here, you're here, we're all here. It's day 28 and I for one am happy to be almost done with this series. Today's stories come from the subreddit Scary Stories, so I hope you guys are watching this during the daytime because I'm recording these voiceovers at night in my dark bedroom and I'm a little creeped out. But anyway, let's go I guess. There's this town not far from where I live. It's a seaside town with very old stronghold barracks thing in it. This stronghold has a pretty violent history. Nothing spectacular given it has seen feuds, tribal wars, the Easter Rising, the Black and Tans, etc. For those familiar with Ireland, it's in Dungaverin. Anyway, it has a historical tour, or you can just get tickets and wander around. Standard really, and not known for any hauntings. It's split into two parts, the inside barracks thing and the outside tower. The barracks also has the little cinema room for the history movie bit. The barracks themselves are fairly unremarkable in terms of paranormal phenomenon. I pick up a few cold spots, as does my mum and a couple of others. No big, again, fairly standard for places like this. Feels kind of sad. The cinema room feels a little creepier, but nobody else seems to have noticed this. Burgeoning on malice, I'm guessing something extra went down in this spot, like some kind of enhanced interrogation type shit. Now we come to the bit that terrifies me. The tower. I've been inside it 3 times and I will never go in again. The first time I went in and the temperature suddenly plummeted. While standing in the tower, thinking that it was essentially nothing, I felt the hairs stand up on my arms, my skin pricked, and it got harder to breathe. I felt kind of sick, and I heard something that sounded like leave. Other than also feeling it colder, nobody else seemed to notice. I booked it, and as I moved, a stone fell right where I'd been standing. Just a little one, but I saw it, as did my then partner. Obviously, this really freaked me out. A few years later, and I went back. I figured I would try going into the tower. Again, the temperature plummets. A breeze picks up, but only in the tower. It was warm and sunny outside. My skin crawls, and before anything else happens, I book it. I was with a friend that time, so I was the only common denominator with the first time. Fast forward to around 18 months ago, I go back one more time. It's been renovated extensively and looks really nice. There's a chance it might be okay. It seems risky to me, but my mom convinces me to go. Into the tower I walk. The first few seconds, it's all good. I think maybe it's actually okay now. My mom moves towards the stairs. We're the only one here. Suddenly, the temperature plummets, like we both were shivering. The door bangs closed, and I feel like I can't breathe. My skin is crawling, and my stomach is nauseated. As I go to the door, I hear a low hissing. My mom did not. As I'm trying to get out, it feels like I'm being held back. When I tried to open the door, it wouldn't budge. My mom got to the door and opened it. It took a bit of a tug, but she got it open. Out of the tower we pop. Now, to see if it was just me still, or if maybe it happened with my mom only in there, she went back into the tower. And it was peaceful. No temp drop inside, she said. No door closing. So something in that tower is out to get me. It's terrifying, the feeling of malevolence I get in the tower, and it is truly the scariest thing I've ever experienced. Because nothing particularly noteworthy happened there, and nobody else has mentioned feeling much of anything there, I'm left with no idea what it is in there that tries to hurt me, nor do I have any real hope of finding out why. I just know it's utterly petrifying, and I'll never set foot in that tower again. Well, alright, that one was short and sweet, unlike this series. Thanks y'all so much for watching. Links, as always, are listed down below. Take care.